Most people think career growth is about talent. But if you look closely, the people who grow the fastest aren't always the most talented. They're the ones who are really good with people. They know how to work with others. Your ability to work with people often matters more than what you know because at the end of the day, people are the ones who hire you, promote you, recommend you. Interpersonal skills are actually a core career skill. And here are three power drivers behind your interpersonal mastery. Driver 1, communication skill. This is the foundation. Great communication isn't about saying more. It's about saying what matters most. It's about creating impact. And here are a few simple shifts that make a huge difference. Be fully present in a conversation. Your mindful presence creates connection. When you walk into a room, you are already communicating before you say a single word. Your energy, your posture, your attention, people feel it. Next, practice active listening. Listen deeply, not casually. Pay attention. Let the other person finish. When you listen deeply, people feel heard. And when people feel heard, they like you more. Speak simply and clearly. Break down complex ideas. Use simple language. Speak with clarity and certainty. Confident communication isn't loud, it's clear. Also, respond with intention. Great communicators guide conversation, and one of the best ways to do that is through questions. Thoughtful, intentional ones that move things forward, such as, what do you think about this? Can you help me understand this better? What would be the next best step here? Good questions create direction. In a world full of noise, high-impact communication creates understanding, trust, and quiet authority. Power driver 2 is emotional mastery. In high-pressure situations, meetings, conflicts, criticism, it's not intelligence that determines outcomes. It's emotional control. Emotional mastery is your real superpower. Stay calm under pressure, especially in disagreement. Your ability to stay calm and composed gives you an immediate edge. Next, handle conflict thoughtfully. Not every disagreement needs to become a battle. Don't react, respond with intention. Also, build emotional awareness. Notice your tone, your reaction, your triggers, and just as importantly, try to understand the other person's perspective. Your real strength is the ability to stay in control of yourself. Because when you manage your emotional state, you subtly influence the emotional state of others. And when you influence the emotional climate, you influence the outcome. Power driver 3, social skill. This is the game changer. Your social skills are a bit of a cheat code. Here is why. Every strong professional relationships comes down to one simple thing: comfort feeling. It's about how people feel when they interact with you, the way you actually listen when someone is speaking, the way you remember what matters to them, the way you show up consistently over time. People often clearly don't remember everything you said, but they remember how comfortable they felt around you, whether they could rely on you, whether they trusted you. So, what can you actually do about it? A few simple high leverage behaviors. Maintain open, calm body language. Show genuine curiosity about people. Be consistent and dependable in your actions. Influence gently without forcing or dominating. People follow certainty, trust, and presence. And if you can build those, you don't just work with people, you become someone they choose to work with. Now, here's the important part. Your growth doesn't come from just knowing stuff. It comes from actually practicing consistently. And here's the simple system you can try right away. In your next conversation, be fully present. Listen more than you speak. In your next meeting, ask one genuinely thoughtful question. In your next disagreement, pause. Choose calm over reaction. Try to understand before trying to be understood. And then reflect. After every interaction, take 60 seconds and think, how did you come across? How did the other person experience you? What could you do slightly better next time? And here is one powerful shortcut. Start observing people who are great communicators, the ones who naturally command respect. Don't just focus on what they say. Pay attention to how they say things, how they respond under pressure, how they make others feel. And then start borrowing this behavior. The more you practice, the better you become. Your life changes the moment you learn how to work with people effectively. Your income, your influence, your opportunities, they are deeply connected to how well you collaborate, communicate, and build relationships. In the AI era, where skills are becoming more accessible and information is everywhere, powerful human connection is your biggest advantage. That's what makes you truly hard to replace. You don't just grow, you accelerate.